hindi kami magbibigay, hindi kami bibigyan ng relief goods. Pinuntahan ko yung barangay captain. Sabi ko, bakit may ticket? Sabi niya, baka magdoble. Ano kung magdoble? Bigay nyo na rin lahat. Just give everything. Hindi yayaman ba yung tao na meron nakadoble siya na food pack? Hindi yayaman. It just means he will eat, the family will eat for another 2 days, 3 days. So, wag na natin masyadong intindihin yung bureaucracy. Basta paratingin natin yung relief, alam mo, naghihingalo yung tao eh. Life and death na sa kanila ito eh. So, wag na tayo mag-antay na may ticket, wag na tayo mag-antay na puntahan na lang natin, basta ibigay natin. Kung hindi magamit, dali natin sa ibang lugar. But we have to make our SOPs more efficient. The LGUs have a bit of may advantage sila sa inyo dahil matagal na nilang ginagawa ito. Kaya may mga procedure na. Which is actually, as governors, binibigay din sa atin yan binibigay din sa amin yan ng national government. So let's just follow those procedures. Bilisan na lang natin. The point of all these relief goods is to get as much relief goods as to rescue immediately, as much relief goods as wag na nating intindihin. There is no such thing as sobra na relief goods. No such thing. Kung ano yung meron tayo, bigay natin kagad. Ibigay natin kagad. At it doesn't matter kung may papel, kung wag niyo nang papirmahan, basta bigay na. Walang kakainin yung mga yan. So I think that is something that we can improve on.